Hey guys, boy, what a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Nice blue sky. Beautiful out, huh? And then what? They said we're getting a little frost this morning. Are you kidding me? Look at my barbecue. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's a little bit more than frost, don't you think, up here in the lakes region of New Hampshire, guys? My car is buried. I have some work to do. No barbecue for me right now. Right? That's crazy. But they say snow comes, was it March, comes in like a lion, goes out like a lamb. All right, guys? Time for me to get to work. What do you think? Oh my God. Oh my God. Give me a break, everybody. All right, have a good day out there. I'd rather be looking at the nice blue skies. Huh? Bye, guys.